So even if you read something once, you read it a million times, there's always fresh revelation. And for me, whatever I'm going through in life, what my process is like, I find something in the Word of God, or I find a book that would be very, very relatable to what I'm experiencing right now. So it's able to speak to me in 2025 as it did so many years ago. In terms of my own process of devotion, I wouldn't say I have a rigid process. I think that the relationship that I have with God is one where literally I could be right. I could be driving. I could be at work, and I am in deep worship. Concentrating on my work. I'm an accountant. I'm in deep worship, reading the Word of God, and I'm in deep worship. What does help is also leaning on the Word of God, and of course doing Bible study sessions as well. Right now, God has me in Acts.